Hello guys and creatives, welcome back to my space. My name is Son of Man. This is Create Visuals and Pixel on YouTube. On today's video, we are going to learn how to vectorize Pepsi logo using Pixellab. Okay, if you have followed me up on Facebook, you realize that I dropped a sketch where I showed you how I sketched this Pepsi logo. So in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to vectorize this logo using Pixellab. So I'm going to be highlighting some of the things that we're going to be learning in this tutorial. So first of all, we're going to learn in this tutorial how to mask shape into vectors. So this is what we're going to be using a trick of this to vectorize this logo. Again, we're going to be learning how to download and install font into Pixellab. So I compile all of this into this tutorial, so it's going to help us a lot. So I hope you stick with me to the end of the tutorial, so you have to capture all this information. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification to stay updated anytime we drop a new video like this. So first of all, I need to get rid of this. So I'm going to leave behind only my sketch, so I don't need to work on this again. So here guys, I'm going to go back and tap on this, and I'm going to click on my grades. So if you watch very well, you are going to discover that I only use my grades to work on one of the vectors, which is this. So I use my grade to mark for this. So this is not my concern. Why? Because I'm supposed to create a vector that this is going to resemble this in some way. So I'm going to create one of the vector and then flip it and create a copy. So I think I've created a video tutorial where I do something like that, but we're going to repeat it in this tutorial. So first of all, I need to go and click on my shape right here. So I'm going to tap on my shape. I'm going to click on this and then select the circle shape. I'm going to reduce the opacity a little so I will see the vector which I want to place this on. So now for the inner diameter of this circle, I'm going to make sure that I expand this until it fits it. Now you see that it has fit into the inner diameter of this circle, right? After this, I'm going to go back and increase the opacity to 100. So I'm going to go and click OK. Now here guys, I'm going to go back here and then click on my mask. So now this is how to mask shape into vector. So now this is a shape circle. I'm going to mask it now. I'm going to click on this button here, and then here I'm going to start masking it. Just follow me and see how I do this now. Thank you. So after this now, I'm going to go here and then click on out. Okay, I'm going to mask this out. So I'm going to tap on that. Now you see that the inner part of this has been selected and the outer part of the circle has been masked out. So I'm going to click OK now. So this is the first step. And realize that we actually use a circle shape to do this. And then before I start masking it, I actually make sure that it is centrally aligned with my grids, right? So you can see the center alignment of these grids now. So now I'm going to go here and then make a copy of it. The second time, I'm going to flip it. Right? It's that simple. And then you bring it to centrally align of this with this grid. And that's very simple. Then after this guys, I'm going to go here. And then for this bottom one here, or let's use this first one at the top here, I'm going to go and choose the brand color, which is red. So I'm going to click OK, and then for this the one at behind, I'm going to go and click my color and then select the brand color, which is blue color. So here, this is the easiest way to do this logo. So guys, after this now, I'm going to go here and then lock the two vectors that I created. I'm going to tap on my screen once and go and pick my shape the second time. So now I'm going to go and select the circle and then reduce the opacity. Then for the outer diameter of this circle, I'm going to expand it until it fits to the outer diameter of this circle, just like I'm doing now. So after this now, I'm going to go and increase the opacity back. Now I'm going to send this behind the two vectors which I have created initially. So after this now, I'm going to make sure that that vector is actually selected, and I'm going to go to my stroke. So I'm going to go and select the black color, right? And then I'm increasing my stroke to around 9 or 10. So now after this, now I'm going to go and check OK. So now this is the first phase of creating this vector. Okay, I'm going to go here and then make sure I lock it, right? So this is very easy. So now guys, let me remove this sketch. So now we're going to have clear workspace of what we're trying to do. This is very easy to achieve. So the second phase of this is to create the Pepsi text on our logo. So I try to see if I can use word font app to search for the Pepsi font, right? It's not working. I went on Google. So now I'm going to show you how to do that. So now go to Google, go and type Pepsi font. Then after typing in, search for it, then it's going to bring out that first option for you. Click on it, the one that has Pepsi font, then click on it. It's going to take you to that font site. Then click on download. Click on it, and then it's going to download. Then after downloading it, it's going to click on open. Okay, you're going to open it with Z Archiver. So you can get the app on Google Play Store. After opening it with G Archiver and compress it, then minimize and go down to your Pixellab again. Open your Pixellab, select the text, then go to font, go to my font, and then click on the icon that you see there. Okay, go to downloads under my font. Okay, then you can see all the font that you have downloaded into your Pixellab. Then from there you are going to see and search for the font that you actually want to install into your Pixellab. So there you are going to select it and then import it into your Pixellab, just like I did now. So after this, now you're going to have it on your screen. So guys, now after this, I'm going to go back here and then click on this and select the vectors, 3 vectors that I created with circle, and then click on my Pepsi text. So now I'm going to click on this and then group them together as one object. So I think this is very easy, simple, right? So I'm going to minimize it. Let's see if we actually get something reasonable. So I'm going to go here and bring back my sketch, and then I'm going to minimize it. Then let's see if we actually get something. Right, so I think we actually create a replica of it, even more better than my sketch itself. Okay, right? So guys, if this video helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this link, share this video to others and who may want to watch and learn from us on Pixellab logo design series on YouTube here. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.